Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can actually add in icons to your slides on Microsoft PowerPoint. So right now we're working on a new slide that we just created, and now that we have this new slide in place, we have a placeholder for our title and also a content placeholder as well, where we can add in videos and pictures and things like that. So if we want to go ahead and just click in our placeholder here, we actually have the option under pictures where we can go ahead and add in an icon. And once you click this, it actually gives you the option to select stock images. But within those stock images, it's broken down by category. So you have just images themselves, you have icons, cutout people, stickers, videos, all that good stuff. If you want to just if you just wanted to bypass using the placeholder, let's go ahead and delete this. And let's go ahead and put icons for our title. Come over here to the Insert tab on your ribbon. Then come over here to the Icons option, which is under Illustrations. And now we can just go ahead and add in icons. So we're not restricted to using the placeholder that's on our slides. We can just go ahead and search for something. So let's go ahead and search medical, see what shows up. Now that we do that, we have all these different options. We have germs and what do we have? Teeth on here. We have all sorts of different options. So there's more than likely you're going to be able to find icons that are relevant to the slide that you're working on. And once you're ready to go ahead and select a slide or slides, just go ahead and left click. You can see as we add them, the number will build here. We could add in more than one. So let's add in, let's do these 4. And now you can see it went ahead and added in these 4 icons. The issue now is I'm going to have to select and break them up individually. So they're kind of jumbled at the moment. Okay, and now that we have our 4 icons in place, we can just go ahead and click them. And then if we have the up, down, left, right, we can just hold left click and drag it wherever we want. Once it's highlighted, we also have this graphics format option, which I'll cover in another video where you can go ahead and format your icons. We can also come over here to the we can change the size just horizontally. We could change it just vertically, but keep in mind if you do that, it will not scale the image correctly and it'll be skewed. So if you want to shrink or increase the width and the height without screwing up your image and distorting it, just come over to one of the corners, hold left click, and you can go ahead and drag to make it bigger or smaller. And what else do we got here? If we want to actually copy our icons, we can just go ahead and left click. And once it's still selected, we can come over here to copy, or we can do Control C on our keyboard and then do Control V on our keyboard again to paste it. So you can create multiple instances of your icons. So you're not having to go back through that whole process of adding it. And yeah, in the next video, we'll go ahead and cover formatting on icons.